For now, I'm going to show you how you need to select text on PDF file and text document and notes app file. Let's see that. So first let's see on PDF file. I just open one PDF. So here you can see that. Basically, if you want to select this word description, first point the cursor over that. I mean where you want to start. I just want to start before this D, so I just place my pointer here. You won't see the cursor, but you just need to press on your trackpad, and then on your trackpad you just double time press like this. I mean double tap. Now you can see the word is selected. So in case if you want to select this whole paragraph, point the cursor, you need to press triple time. So here you can see that. So the main thing is how you can select as per our wish. For example, if I want to select from this delete to this Android phone, after the dot, you just place the cursor before D. On your trackpad, single time press and hold like this, and use your another finger and drag. So just like that. This is how it looks like. You just point the cursor, hold and drag using another finger, and you just release both finger. Now command C to copy and command V to paste. That's it. This is about PDF. Let's see on Notes app. For Notes app and other text document, same principle. No need to change anything. So let's say if you want to select this word YouTube, double time press like this, so it will select that. If you want to select this whole area, triple time. So I mean the whole line has been selected. If you want to particularly select, means for example if you want to select from this YouTube to the question mark, place the cursor here, and then on your trackpad you need to do something. Double time you need to press and hold. 1, 2 and hold. Keep hold and use your another finger and drag. This is how you need to do. I show you on screen. So first place the cursor, double time press and hold. It will select that particular word, and then drag using another finger. Once you select that, release both fingers. It's a text document, right? So we can cut and copy anything. If you want to copy, command C. If you want to cut, command X. Here you can see the word has been cutted. If you want to paste, move the cursor and command V to paste. Just like that. That's it. This is how you need to do, and if you want to know more videos about MacBook, you need to watch this playlist.